Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the bow in Green Hell. This is going to be especially useful for hunting animals and gathering much more foods just like this. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to gather some resources, which are going to be one long stick and one rope. So just go ahead and mine some simple tree just like this one with a axe. And to get rope, you want to go to these giant trees that have vines on them that are called liana, and then just press and hold E to take them, and it is going to automatically make it rope. And once you have the long stick on the ground, hold down the right click mouse button and click on craft. This is going to automatically take you to the crafting tab, and here you'll see your backpack. Go to the second option where you'll see the rope icon and drag the rope to the long stick on this rock. And as you can see, it is going to craft us our bow. So just go ahead and click craft, and now you can use it. So this is pretty much all. How to get the bow in Green Hell. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.